Want to reach more customers and make your Shopify store truly global? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add multiple languages to your Shopify store in 2025. Step by step, it's simple, powerful, and can instantly make your store more accessible to shoppers around the world. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to your Shopify admin page, log into your account, and you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your store. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Languages. This is where all the magic happens. Next, click on Add a Language. A drop-down menu will appear with a full list of languages supported by Shopify. Browse through and pick the one that best fits your audience, whether it's Spanish, French, German, or any other language your customers speak. Once you've made your choice, hit Add. Shopify will now integrate that language into your store, allowing visitors to view your website in their preferred language. But here's an important note. Adding a language doesn't automatically translate your content. You'll need to use Shopify's translation apps, like Shopify Translate and Adapt, or work with a professional translation service to make sure your product descriptions, navigation, and messages are clear and accurate in every language. When everything's set up, your customers will see a language switcher on your store, giving them a smooth and personalized shopping experience. And no matter where they're from, offering multiple languages isn't just a nice feature, it's a smart business move. It boosts accessibility, builds trust with international customers, and strengthens your brand's global presence. And that's it. You've just learned how to make your Shopify store multilingual in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more easy Shopify tips and e-commerce guides. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!